7 Most Profitable Business Ideas for 2023. 2023 is looking to be a challenging year, and starting a business will require more flexibility due to economic uncertainties. But turning a profit is a lot easier when you're starting with a profitable business model. So what are the most profitable businesses of 2023? Before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for future updates. 1. Dropshipping business. Dropshipping is a subcategory of e-commerce that refers to businesses that sell products they don't actually have on hand. Instead, the product is shipped directly from the vendor to the customer. Dropshipping reduces your inventory costs and, as a result, increases your net income. And by 2028, the global dropshipping market is predicted to grow by 20% annually 2028. 2. Vacation or home rental. Vacation and home rentals are more popular than ever. The home rental business has boomed as a result of the COVID-19 pandemic, with 2021 home rental annual revenue reaching $40,000 per year. What's driving the increase in demand? Some travelers are looking for drivable destinations, opting to seek out somewhere secluded where they can achieve some R&R. 3. Online courses. Professionals are consistently looking for ways to sharpen their skills and advance their careers, providing a profitable business opportunity for savvy entrepreneurs who want to turn their expertise into passive income. Courses that cover business finances and accounting, strategy, management, negotiation, sales and marketing training, and public speaking drive consistent demand. 4. Online marketing course. The marketing landscape has been changing, and many businesses and professionals are looking for guidance on how to adapt. Creating an online marketing course covering email marketing, social media management, SEO, or database marketing can generate a profit with minimal investment. 5. Graphic design business. There is consistently high demand for graphic design services because the stellar graphic design can be a market differentiator. In the age of digital marketing and Instagram-friendly advertising, a company's graphic design is arguably more important than it ever has been. How profitable your graphic design business is depends on how much labor you're putting into the projects compared to how much you're charging. 6. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a business model where a company pays a third party to generate leads or traffic to the company. These days, everyone from Instagram influencers to major news publications relies on affiliate marketing to drive profit. If you have a robust audience or plan to build one, you can make a bank with affiliate marketing. 7. Auto repair business. While some major repairs require a trip to a full auto repair shop, a lot of fixes can be done with a simple set of tools. The average age of vehicles has risen to 12.1 years, which means more people are holding onto their cars and would rather repair what they have than buy. If you're a skilled mechanic, you can launch an auto repair service with minimal startup costs and start generating revenue in a flash. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel before you go.